What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Grounded Beef again. So we're back at the Stone House. It's Saturday the 11th, maybe 12th. I just wanted to show you again what we're doing. Like, I want to reiterate this. So just you chip that out of there. See how it all crumbles? They didn't do that before. They just kind of, put the concrete in there. But you want to be on solid rock. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna get the leaf blower and blow this all out. And then I'll start throwing concrete in there. You gotta do better than like just out here. I know that they obviously weren't masons either, but like chip as much of that loose stuff away as you can so you get good adhesion to around there so that it bonds to all that. That's solid rock, and then that's solid rock, and this is rock. Like this, like I said, I don't want to get too far, but like they just didn't get to anything solid. So that's why it's all cracking again. Again, I'm not a mason, but I know you have to get down to good stuff. So that's what we're doing today. So I always forget to bring a bigger container of water, so I keep filling this thing up. It's like peeing on a barn fire. Okay, I think we're ready. Already? Let's get a glob of this. Start flinging. Alright. I know it's a mess, but I gotta let it set up a little bit because that was such a big gap that it's not pretty, but yeah, I just gotta let it set up. Probably gonna go warm up for a minute.